Hello YouTube, Jeff Kelly here. Today I wanted to talk about the accuracy of the Howdah pistol. We took it out to the range and tested it out with 610 diameter 20 gauge balls. We shot at targets at 50 yards, 3-inch, 12-inch, 3/8 inch, 12-inch plate. It's the white plate with the pink target on it. And then we shot at 55 yards with a round 3/8 inch plate with a white center. So it's pink on the outside, white on in the center. The pink is because Steel Targets had a special on pink paint. I guess they were getting rid of it, so it was very cheap. But anyway, this performed extremely well for a smooth barrel shotgun that's only about 12 inches long. And you'll see the performance. Also, we ended the video shooting some number 8 shot at a can of Monster, empty can of Monster drink in a hay bale, and it kind of flips it around very nicely. So this pistol is, I guess, pretty deceptive. You might think it doesn't do well accuracy wise, but out 50 yards and 55 yards you can actually hit stuff. And I believe we also have some footage of a 30-yard hit on an 8-inch square plate as well. So let's get out to Oak Tree Gun Club and see how this thing does. Let's try 50 yards. 50 yards. There we go.
That was crazy. That flash was insane.
That's black powder. It just makes that boom.
Yeah. Nice.
Wow.
Yeah. Let's try 30 yards.
It seemed unusually vigorous.
Go to hell on me.
Let's try 30 yards again. Only one. I'm gonna hit that fucking thing like the last thing I do.
Hit something.
Perfect. There I hit it. There I hit it, 55 yards. Oh, just for fun, let's see what a number 7 shot does to a can in a hay bale. Well,